Vinyl Windows Dallas, TX, is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and energy efficiency. With a variety of vinyl window options available, residents can select from numerous vinyl window styles and vinyl window designs to match their home's architecture. Vinyl window companies in Dallas offer a wide range of vinyl window materials and vinyl window frames, ensuring that every customer finds the perfect fit for their needs. Energy-efficient windows in Dallas are essential for reducing energy costs and improving home comfort. Vinyl window insulation is a key feature that helps maintain indoor temperatures, making vinyl window upgrades a smart investment. Vinyl window experts in Dallas provide comprehensive vinyl window solutions, including vinyl window maintenance and vinyl window repair, to ensure long-lasting performance. Custom vinyl windows in Dallas offer personalized solutions for unique architectural needs. Vinyl window contractors in Dallas specialize in creating custom vinyl window designs that cater to individual preferences. With a focus on vinyl window durability and vinyl window benefits, these professionals ensure that each installation meets the highest standards of quality and performance. Affordable vinyl windows. Dallas provide cost-effective solutions without compromising on quality. Vinyl window suppliers in Dallas offer competitive pricing on a wide range of vinyl window brands, making it easy for homeowners to find budget-friendly options. Vinyl window services in Dallas include everything from vinyl window installation to vinyl window replacement, ensuring a seamless experience for customers. Vinyl window replacement in Dallas is a popular service for those looking to upgrade their home's appearance and functionality. Vinyl window contractors in Dallas are skilled in removing old windows and installing new energy-efficient models. Vinyl window features such as advanced vinyl window glass and superior vinyl window insulation contribute to improved energy efficiency and reduced utility bills. Vinyl window repair in Dallas is essential for maintaining the integrity and performance of your windows. Vinyl window experts in Dallas offer prompt and reliable repair services to address any issues that may arise. Regular vinyl window maintenance is crucial for extending the lifespan of your windows and ensuring they continue to perform optimally. Vinyl windows. Dallas provide a wide selection of vinyl window options to suit any style or budget. From traditional to contemporary vinyl window styles, there is something for everyone. Vinyl window companies in Dallas are committed to delivering high-quality products and exceptional customer service, making them a trusted choice for homeowners. Vinyl window solutions in Dallas are designed to meet the diverse needs of the local community. Whether you're looking for vinyl window upgrades or new vinyl window installations, there are plenty of options available. Vinyl window materials in Dallas are chosen for their durability and performance, ensuring that your investment stands the test of time. Vinyl window frames in Dallas are available in a variety of colors and finishes, allowing homeowners to customize their windows to match their home's exterior. Vinyl window designs in Dallas are crafted with attention to detail, ensuring a perfect fit and finish. Vinyl window benefits such as low maintenance and long-lasting performance make them a popular choice for Dallas residents.